Hi Tech Dubai, I'm Jun Tariman. I'm a journalist and a tech blogger. My apology for the late update of this video. So, ito na siya. So, mo ni ang resulta sa akong assemble nga Mosquito Pester. And remember, I assembled this few years back. And this is now the final or the finished product. But before going back to or reviewing the video, the original video, I'm just inviting you to please like my or subscribe my channel and click the alert button so that you will be alerted whenever I have a new video. Your subscription matters a lot to me because I just want to improve this channel. Hi, this is my first electronic kit project after several years na wala ko katrabaho ingunan so I'm back. This is a Mosquito Pester. I don't know exactly this Mosquito Pester, but according to the sales lady there kanina nangutana ko, she said na para ni pagpabugaw sa lamok. Okay, so here are the parts. Actually, it's only about 150 siguro doon. Nakalimutan ko price. But anyway, here are the parts. This is the PCB board, the circuit board. Then we have here the two capacitors. We have a switch. We have two transistors. We have ceramic transducer. The ceramic transducer will produce sounds. Sounds na ultrasonic sound. Dili na ito madungog sa tundunggan, but madungog sa mga lamok. So mga lamok dagan kay mahadlok sa tingog niya. Okay? Then there are 4 resistors here. Kining resistor is the 100K and also is this is 1.8K and this is the 100K resistors. So mura na yung parts, no? Then this is the schematic diagram. This would be my guide para pag-assemble ni siya. But actually ang kining circuit board doon na siya ikuan diagram po. So nanay guide kung asa no ibuta ang mga parts. The only problem kung di ka kibamutan-aw sa terminal configuration sa parts, dili ka mutaod. Pero in this case, dili kay problema. The only thing tanawon nimo ang iyahang terminals here, ang kinatang transistor kay tulong ni ka transistor iyahang terminals here. Kinahanglan kibalo ka asang emitter, asang collector, asang base para mabatang mugtarong diri sa circuit board. Otherwise, kung mabali ni mo butang, syempre the device won't function. Okay? So I'll assemble this one. Then I bought some battery case, battery holder. At the same time, muna sa niya kong himuon nga case niya. Maigo man siguro ng gamay kay nga circuit board niya. Ako na naman iubrahon, okay? And I'll tell you if it will function later. So here's the close-up of this device. As you can see here, it's the front or the top of this Mosquito Pester. There's a switch here that could turn on and off of for the device. Then this one is the transducer. As I said, this serves as the speaker of this device. Ang sounds niya, it's so low, you can hear it, but you have to keep the device near to your ear. Hinay-kaayos na siya, but it's ultrasonic siya. Supposedly di mo madungog yun, ultrasonic man. So the back here is there's a screw here, so I just remove it para ma-open natin, then tingnan natin ito. So this is it. Pag humana ko assemble, ito na resulta niya. So there's a AAA battery here, one AAA battery. So although the compartments is good for 2, but I only need 1. So this is it. That's the circuit board. You see that? So it's so small. The transistor, I have to bend it para maigo siya sa case niya. Okay, so that's it. This is how this Mosquito Pester is made. The sound is so low, so I don't know if you can hear it. If I put this near to my ear, so I can hear it. So we'll try kung marinig madungog siya sa microphone here. Okay. And suma sa akong review on the mosquito coil, I also featured this one, and I told you that what gid siya mo function as it is expected nga mangawala ang lamok, because even though I'm using this, naaragya po yung lamok nga nasa ang duol sa palibot. So the ultrasonic doesn't really shoo away the mosquitoes. Anyway, subscribe to this channel for more videos, and don't forget to click that alert button. Salamat kayo. I'm Jun Tariman.